Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Morgan, the photographer and social media specialist at Sallie Tomato. We are so excited to open day 5 of our 2026 Sallie Tomato Co Box and add a bit of nautical to your hardware collection. Day 5. This item gives the needed seaside appeal to the day 4 item. You'll get all the nautical feel with this extra touch. We're delighted to introduce the new gunmetal fish zipper pulls to you first, along with 2 of our favorites, the nautical and bottle opener zipper pulls. These pulls are perfect for making small projects and adding professional details to handbags, pouches, or accessories. The finishes give a polished, classic touch to any of your zippered projects. I love the fish zipper pulls and they're elegantly fun and quirky additions to the Sallie Tomato zipper pull selection. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more fun zipper pulls like these in our lineup, or if you prefer more classic styles. We love to hear which zipper pulls you like to see next. If you don't want to miss the next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, make sure to join our newsletter through the link below so you'll be the first to know when it's released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Co on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you make with your Mariner's Compass supplies.